How to chat in Snapchat. Hey guys, and let's get started. If you do not know how to start a conversation on Snapchat, here is the easiest step. But before that, make sure you have the latest version of Snapchat downloaded. For this, you have to visit Play Store on your Android. Tap on the search bar and type in Snapchat. If there is an update button available, make sure to tap on it and it will start downloading the latest version. Once the update has been completed, you can then open your Snapchat and log in using your credentials. If not, you can create a new account as well. Once that is done, in order to go to the conversation section, you can just slide towards the right and it will open the conversation. Next up, click on the search bar and type in the username of the person that you want to chat with. After that, you can simply write the text on the text box or the description box and you're good to go. Similarly, if you want to send the snaps in the Snapchat, you have to go back to the main camera page. From there, you can now select any kind of filter that you want and send it to the next person and chat on Snapchat. So this is all for today's video. If you have got any queries, make sure to drop it in the comment section. Also, hit the like and subscribe button for more such contents. Thanks for watching.